What's up guys, here's Claudio from Visualmodo WordPress themes, and in this video you're gonna learn a couple of creative ways to highlight some word on Canva. So to highlight text, okay? How to sublime, for example. But how to do this in a simple, fast and effective method is what you're gonna learn to this video. But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video and share this content for a friend of yours. You have no idea how much it helps us. So after having our layout, I have this one. The first thing that I'm gonna do is separate the lines. So I'm gonna click on the words, click into this advanced settings right here, and into line spacing I'm gonna separate the lines just a little bit, just like this. Now there is a couple of things that you can do to highlight text, okay? My focus keyword right here is gonna be time, okay? So I would like to highlight this. Go to elements and you can search, for example, for line. So let's search for line. You can use a simple line, just like this, maybe like this. It's a simple way, right? But let's try another thing. For example, go to elements, scroll down just a little bit and find the shapes. Go to the shape. Move over your element, just like this. Move it right here and right here. And you already have made your highlight. But of course, you can change the color in the case that you want. You can change the style. But there is another way. Go right here and type highlight. You have a couple of graphics to play with. One of my favorites are this one right here. It's one of my favorites. And this one right here. Or maybe like this, in the case that I want. Create a fancy effect as well. So, with these elements you can highlight your text and keep playing with until you find the best option for you. And it is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. All the best!